Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your Grok Imagine experience and customize how it responds. So keep in mind that this does not remove the platform safety rules, but it can help you get results that better match your style. So first, open the Grok homepage in your browser, click the profile icon in the bottom left corner, then select settings. Next, open the accounts section and check that your information is correct, and if it's needed, use the change option to update your details, follow the on-screen steps, and click continue to confirm. After that, go to customize to manage your agents, create a new agent or edit an existing one, give it a clear name, and enter simple instructions describing how you want it to respond. You can ask for clear answers, a certain visual style, or more creative and professional results. So once it is finished, click save. And when using Grok Imagine, select the agent you created. If a prompt cannot be generated, rewrite it with clearer details about the purpose, style, and context while keeping it within the platform's guidelines. So just remember, you have to have your agent created and saved before using those preferences. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.